Nature of mathematics. Mathematics reveals hidden patterns that help us understand the world around us. Now, much more than arithmetic and geometry, mathematics today is a diverse discipline that deals with the data, measurements, and observation from science, with inference, deduction, and proof, and with mathematical models of natural phenomena, of human behavior, and of social systems. As a practical matter, mathematics is a science of pattern and order. Its domain is not molecules or cells, but numbers, chance, form, algorithms, and change. As a science of abstract objects, mathematics relies on logic rather than on observation as its standard of truth, yet employs observation, stimulation, and even experimentation as means of discovering truth. Examples: in flowers, the arrangement of the petals is set to maximize the amount of space for each petal or to make sure that each petal has sufficient exposure to sunlight. Many flower heads are densely packed with petals, making these arrangements critical to the success of each individual petal and thus the success and beauty of the flower as a whole. So the arrangement of the petals on a black-eyed Susan or the scales on a pineapple is not random. To the contrary, it is a precise mathematical arrangement that allows all of the elements to work together to ensure the success of the whole by achieving the golden mean. I might not be able to discover high-level mathematical concepts or produce a perfect sequence of numbers, but can appreciate the beauty these arrangements communicate. Mother Nature could have shown Signor Fibonacci or a thing or two. Leaves can be enjoyed for their shade, autumn colors, or taste, and the arrangement of leaves on a plant is a practical way to identify a species. However, the details of how plants control their leaf arrangement have remained a persistent mystery in botany. A Japanese plant species with a peculiar leaf pattern recently revealed unexpected insight into how almost all plants control their leaf arrangement. Fractal geometry is based on the idea of scale invariance, which means that a figure is the same or is invariant no matter on what scale it is observed. In other words, the figure is constructed by repeating the same pattern at smaller and smaller scales. The fern is certainly one of the best examples for understanding this idea. A small part of the figure, when enlarged, reproduces the original figure, or if you will, the part contains the whole. An object which possesses this property is called a fractal. From a mathematical point of view, the repetition of patterns at smaller and smaller scales can be continued to infinity. In the real world, nevertheless, the repetition stops after a certain number of jumps.